Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Hope you will be feeling well. In today's video, we shall discuss the rest of the kinds of adjectives. In the previous video, we have discussed some of the kinds of the adjective. So now we will discuss the rest of the kinds of adjectives. So first of all, we have now here a demonstrative adjective. What is a demonstrative adjective? Look at the examples. This book is yours. Second sentence is that flower is beautiful. Third sentence, these books are difficult to read. Number fourth, those flowers are beautiful. And number fifth is why are you in such a hurry? Oh, so sorry. Here it is a question, so I should have marked the question mark, but it was printing mistake, typing mistake, not. So now look at this here. This book, which is already underlined, that flower, these books, those flowers, and such a hurry. These all are underlined words are called the demonstrative adjectives because they are pointing out a person or a thing. Okay, so one thing to be remembered, demonstrative adjective, every each after each of the adjective there comes a noun, or there may comes sometimes pronoun. So that is why these words are called adjectives. Now definition is demonstrative adjective or demonstrative adjectives point out which person or thing is meant. This is the definition. And next thing is demonstrative adjectives answer the question of which. Okay, so now let us discuss it. This is used for the singular and something that is near to us. That is used for the singular and which is away. These is for plural and those is for also plural but away from us. And number fifth is such. It is also used as adjective when it comes before a noun or pronoun, so it also points out. Next we have interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are three which create or which ask the question. Examples are what manner of man he is he, and which way will you go, and the third is whose book is this. Okay, so all are these interrogative words creating or asking the questions, and immediately after them there comes a noun. So that is why they are called interrogative adjectives. Now look at the definition of adjective. What, which, and whose. Okay, here one, what, which, and whose, when used with nouns to ask questions, are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, so keep remember we have only three interrogative adjectives. And the next to be noted, what is used in a general sense and which is used in a selective sense. This is next kind of adjectives is emphasizing adjectives. In emphasizing adjective we have only two emphasizing adjectives, and that are own and very, which are already underlined in the sentences. I saw it with my own eyes, one. And in the second sentence, he has his own book. In the third sentence, that is the very thing we want. And in the last sentence, in English, grammar is the very part to be learned. Okay, so all of you, if you skip this emphasizing adjective from the sentence, so the meaning will not be changed. Let us, if we omit in the first sentence own, we how would it become? I saw it with my eyes. I saw it with my eyes. If you, for a second, if you omit this word own, so the meaning will remain the same. I saw it with my eyes. But now, what does the own word is doing? Which function? It is creating the emphasis. And in the same very context, in the third sentence, look at the very word and omit for some time very. That is the thing we want. So the meaning or the context of the sentence is not changing. So that is why they when they are used as adjective, very and own, they create what? They create emphasis. And at last I have written the word own and very are used as emphasizing adjectives, and these are used to create an emphatic. They are used to create an emphatic effect in a sentence. So dear friends, this was today's lecture, and here we have sum up the kinds of adjective. In the next video, we shall discuss or we shall learn more about the adjectives. So, take care. Allah Hafiz.